Well, judging by the video thumbnail, you already know that I'm putting a new mufflers on the Foxbody. We're going with the Black Widow Widowmaker 10-inch series, 3-inch inlet and outlet. For those of you that are not familiar with this car, this is my 1985 Ford Mustang. It has a 87 stock bottom end 302 with GT40P heads, an F cam, and it's carbureted. The setup on the car for exhaust right now is BBK long tube headers with aluminum X pipe and MagnaFlow bullet style mufflers with axle dumps. That wasn't graceful. So far, what I do like about these is they are shorter, not by much. However, they are bigger in diameter. The main difference between these two mufflers, the Black Widows are a fully welded chambered muffler, which if you look down in there, all it is basically a tube with a couple baffles in there. And I'm sure there's a technological word for that I don't know because I'm not a muffler builder. But the MagnaFlow is a perforated inner pipe surrounded by like a fiberglass packing, which gives it that muffling sound. So what I'm hoping is the Black Widows will be more of a crisp sound, help that smaller motor and cam sound like it's chopping a little harder. Alright, we officially have tailpipes. Again, I had to use my little Hobart off of like more like 80 feet of extension cord. So we got some boogers in there, but I promise, that's from the Hobart. I promise I know how to weld, okay? I did that with the TIG welder, so, and I did that very quickly, so I promise not all my welds look like that.